Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. This time I'm going to show you how to build a list for some tech products, and we're going to create a gorgeous gallery view so we can see a thumbnail for each item in the list. If you're going to try this yourself, you can do this with SharePoint or Microsoft Lists, either is fine. I'm going to start on the Lists homepage. I'll go to the app launcher and choose Lists, and from the Lists homepage I choose New List. I'm going to start with a blank list and I'm going to call it Products. I'll choose an icon and a color, and in the Save To section I want to choose Sales and Marketing, which is the SharePoint site I want to save it to so my team can use it. And I'll make sure Show in Navigation is checked so it appears on the left-hand navigation of my SharePoint site. I'll press Create, and when I do that it will take me to the list. And now I can add my columns. The first column I'm going to add is an image. This will be the image that we see in the gallery view. I'll call the column Thumbnail and then I'll choose Save. My next column is Product Type, which will be a choice. I'll name the column Product Type and then I'll add my product types as choices: cameras, devices, accessories. Because it's a choice column, a color will automatically be given to each choice. If I want to change it, I just choose the little palette icon here and choose another color. Then I press Save. My next column is going to be Product Line. I choose Add Column, Choice, name the column, and then I add my choices: photography, entertainment, computers. Then I'll choose Save. Now I've got my column set up, I can add some products. I'll choose the New button, and on the right hand side I'll add a name. Then I'll press the Add an Image here and browse for the image I want to add as the thumbnail for this product. Then I'll choose the type and line and press Save. Now I'll go ahead and add the rest of the products to the list. Now I have some items in my list. To create the gallery view, I'll go to the View menu and choose Format Current View. From the Format View page, I'll go to the Choose Layout section and choose Gallery. I'll select the card designer and choose Edit Card. In the Change Settings section, I'll uncheck Show Column Names as Labels. Then I'll press Save and Close. And to make sure that the gallery view is what everybody sees when they open up the list, I'll go to the View menu, drop it down and choose Save View As. And then I'll choose Save in the Save As window. And there you have it, a list of products with thumbnails in the gallery view. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.